I'm Lee Heitzman, welcome to the 2021 Arbordeck Awards here at FutureScape. It's a new home at XL. It's a much bigger and bolder venue, as I'm sure you can see just looking around. It's more like a traditional exhibition space. Lots of installers coming through today, lots of our award winners, so it's been a really great show. The winner of the best Arbordeck deck for this year was London Decking Company. A really great design incorporating a Japanese style theme. Shows what can really be done with a bit of imagination, still using a very traditional timber product. Joe's also a very good Trex decking installer for us, Joe Hayward, so it'd be really good to see him start climbing the ladder and doing a bit more with Trex as we move into 2022. The small Trex deck under 35 square metres, was run by Beams and Braces. So Darren Gooch, really good Trexpert, made it to Trexpert Platinum for us this year, which is fantastic. Darren really is kind of pushing the boundaries and doing really good intricate work. So fantastic entry. The judges were unanimous and felt this was a really deserved winner in that category.
Hello, I'm Darren from Beams and Braces. Really proud to have won an award today. We won Best Small Deck. I'm massively passionate about Trex. It's been an amazing journey for me and one that I hope to carry on with for the rest of my career. Best
Large Trex Deck, although I wasn't one of the key judges for this year, I did have a quick look into this category. Really difficult for the judges to reach a decision. The winner went to AMS Garden Services, Andy Saunt. Fantastic project, really intricate design showing different levels, incorporating some seating, an amazing garden transformation.
Hi, I'm Andy from AMS Garden Services Limited. Predominantly fit Trex all year round, week in, week out. I've worked with Trex for 4 or 5 years now, and I find it so easy to work with, and it far outclasses all the other competition on the market. Fully booked up now till the end of March next year with projects, and I had a really good year. And this entering one of the categories for this year's awards and winning biggest deck of the year.
The best Trex design deck for this year went to Andrew Milby, another fairly new installer for us, been working with us for about 18 months and has made it to Trex Pro Platinum, doing some fantastic work in his area up in Cumbria. The deck itself was a real garden transformation, starting to really see bringing the whole outdoor living concept into one garden design, so completely maintenance free, fantastic, and really starting to push the boundaries, I think, onto new ideas for garden design.
Jonathan Cooper, business manager for Trex at Arbordeck, part of Arbor Forest Products. I'm with Andrew Milby from AM Joinery, the west coast of Cumbria. Today, what have you won today, Andrew?
I won an award for the best design solution for a decking I've done in Cumbria, in Workington. It was a foggy wharf deck with calm water borders.
Some glass railings.
Some glass railings on it, a bit of a two-tier deck, bit of different stuff going on really.
Dogs in the middle,
yeah. Yeah, there was a bit of
grass in the middle.
It was
so it was good deck.
A bit of everything going on, so yeah, good day all round.
Client's happy with it.
Always happy with my work.
Fantastic,
always.
That's what we want to see.
5-star reviews, Jonathan.
5-star reviews, of course, all the time.
Yeah.
Well, brilliant. Well, congratulations.
Thank you very
much. Well done, Andrew.
Appreciate it, Jonathan.
We'll see you again next year.
Absolutely.
Trexpert of the Year for this year was Simon Thomas. Simon's been a real flag bearer for Trex for the last 3 or 4 years. He's given up lots of time to come to these events and speak for us and help lots of other Trex pros within his own area. He actually signed up 3 new Trex pros in the Swansea area, happy to kind of pass on his knowledge and actually pass on some of the leads that he can't fulfil in the time frame that the customer's looking for. So a real example of how good Trex pros can work with each other in quite a small area. The overall Deck of the Year winner for this year, winning a 4th trade trip to Washington DC to take in Trex University, Trex plant tour, and go and see some of the traditional Trex installers in the US, some of the guys that have been doing it for 15, 20 years, and also understand a bit about how their market works. So that design went to Simon Thomas for this year for his Celtic design project. Fantastic deck, really pushing the envelope with curves, raised area. It's kind of doubled the footprint of the house, taking it indoor outside. So fantastic project and a well-deserved winner for this year.
Hello there, my name is Simon Thomas from Simon Thomas Deck and Design.
You are the chosen Trexpert of the Year.
I was.
How does that feel?
Fantastic. On a big high at the moment. Yeah, 3 awards in one day.
You're excited to be going to Washington DC?
I am. Really looking forward to it. Seeing where it's made and seeing the sites will be fantastic.